Hi all, welcome to this channel. So guys, suppose we launch any new website. The new website, what is the option will be we can give by the particular postings and everything will be done by your particular options. So in this particular option, how we can reaching the audience, how we can reaching for audience. In this purpose, we have to the backlinks are more effective. Nothing but we can increasing it for more traffic for through backlink. So backlink nothing too different. Backlink nothing but so we are the new website. I have to generating traffic will be other website to my website. Who will be give the traffic? They'll call backlink makers. They call backlink makers. This will be automatic backlinks. So there is not manual submission. The automatic backlink will be created by the smallseo.tools.com/backlink maker. Post it. A simple click for make a backlink. Which how many website we can submit it here. Some status will be approved, some status will be not approved. So that all will be shown to the properly report by the in the backlink maker time. So this is a free or paid one. This is completely free. But here, out of 100, so out of 200 links I'm submitted, only few links will be accepted. We can making also we can check, and we can how many backlinks also will be checked from the this websites. So here I'm checking here. Suppose I have to check for the how many backlinks on my website. Right now creation, I have to checking for how many backlinks for my particular website. So the backlinks will be supporting for your website traffic. Any people searching for swimming pool in Nikonda. So they are showing for our website will be always in a particular Google position purpose. But all will be we can showing for where the option name is called in a particular SEO backlink purpose. This backlink will be support. Any people will be open. Particular so and so website is promoting for my interior. So Myra indoor swimming pool website. So that all will be we can give you. The page does not exist. We are generating content for right now. Please wait a second. Show it is long. So they will be generating content. This takes some time. So wait for the sometimes to generate content from the in particular website. So this all will be nothing but we can generating for backlinks in your particular domain. So that is the most important for the people know about your website and every content by using backlinks. So backlink nothing but simple example I'll tell you. If you share your content through your WhatsApp, any people comparing to WhatsApp to your particular website, they came. Who will be generating traffic? WhatsApp. Who will be share the WhatsApp on a particular person? They will share message to the one member to another member by using network is called WhatsApp option. So who will be give the referral traffic on your website? WhatsApp is your referral traffic. So why I'm selecting for WhatsApp is called people easily can understanding WhatsApp procedure. So that is we can selecting from here for the selecting for automatic backlinks. For manual backlink purpose, tumblr.com, select any particular URL. Link will be click here. There are multiple options are there. When click link here, copy the option. And post it. So how many keyword we can use in tag option? We can use n number of keyword will be used in the particular tag. So that is mostly who will be searching for in a any kind of keywords they show to the particular customers. Tumblr, bookmark for you. Any link we can submit only for one time. That all will be we can show to the customers based on the backlinks will be generated by using SEO on page technique. Without SEO on page, we can't do by this kind of backlinks. They can't show the particular output. So here, so bookmark for you, generating traffic for my website. How to generate? Any people coming to bookmark for you, click the link, they come into website. Here, not only one or two, they can advertise your particular link as your particular options. See this one. Next one, my favorite. What are the content I'm posting here? Everything we can show by my favorite option. So in a home, so what are the link? Everything they show to particular customer in this website. See this. When people was click here, they go to your particular website. This will be show for search engine purpose also. They coming from Google to bookmark for you to your website. So who will be give the referral traffic? The backlink will be called bookmark for you. Backlink is a generating traffic on my website. So this backlink will be affected to generating more traffic on your website and getting ranking on the Google organic search purpose. So there are two kind of backlinks, manual and automated backlinks. That all backlinks are available. Racketech Solutions. Just you can only sign up in your mail through the name and click for link and submit your content and promote your website from using Tumblr website. Same like so many websites are there. Open this one. First login it. Simple. Copy the URL. Add link. Without on page, we don't do the off page option, this option. So automatically here, I'm a robot, click for save item. So these are all nothing but a particular tag we can show to customer will be in your particular website. Flow also will be direct traffic will be show to the your particular website. How it is promoting? Here is the particular option. Indoor swimming pool gun debate. Focal.com will be promoting for indoor swimming pool gun debate option. So these are all nothing but backlinks on your particular website to ranking on the Google search engine purpose. This backlink will be useful for the every website. There are two type of backlinks, manual backlinks and automated backlinks. NIM tools, small SEO tools, backlink generator, these all will be automated tools. Manual links, bookmark for you, Tumblr, Focal, Scoop.it, these all will be manual backlinks. What is the final destination? They get your website to your website, traffic will be generated. That means any new user, we can generate traffic from other website, compulsory interested. Why? Because we can increase our traffic to generating my business or my earning purpose. So YouTube or any kind of website, they call same procedure will be generating for backlinks. If you go to NIM tools, they will generating for the YouTube backlink also. It's a free of cost, nothing to pay. Just go to this website and sign in and go to sign up or sign in and submit link. Each link will be screenshot will recorded by the your particular emails. So one more option is called backlink checker. Nothing but how many backlinks on my website. You can checking for backlink checker also. They will be showing for how many backlinks on my particular website. They show report also. So that is a depend on increase the backlinks posting for automatic and manual backlinks. So don't depend on the automatic backlinks. Depend on more by the manual backlinks. Select the website, which website will be related on your content. Promote your content in particular website. That all will be in your particular backlink option. So any question about the backlinks and how we can generating traffic to your website, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.